Hi there, welcome to my kitchen. Today let's make this delicious honey garlic lemon chicken on my air fryer. So this is going to be so delicious and it's so easy to make. So the first thing that I will do is to wash my chicken, and then I will just pat it dry with my paper towels. Okay, and then for my spices, I'm gonna use salt and pepper. I'm gonna use Cajun sauce. I'm gonna use paprika, and then I'm gonna mix all of that up with olive oil, and then I will put it on my air fryer on 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Okay, while my chicken is still baking in the air fryer, I'm just going to slice my lemon here. So I'm going to make the sauce here on the side. So I'm going to slice my lemon into small pieces, and then I'm going to melt some butter. Okay, and then I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of garlic. I know guys, I'm not measuring, but that is about 1 tablespoon of garlic. Okay, and then I'm gonna add my maple syrup. I don't have honey. If you have honey, you can use honey. And then I'm gonna use some soy sauce. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna add my lemons as well. And then I'm just gonna let that simmer for a few minutes. Then I'm gonna keep stirring in between to make sure that it doesn't burn. And then also don't forget to flip your chicken halfway just to make sure that it cooks through on both sides. Okay, so after 10 minutes I'm just going to take my sauce, and then I'm going to use a brush to just brush the sauce all over my chicken, and I'll place the lemons on top, and then I'm going to put the chicken back, and then I'm going to air fry it for another 10 minutes. So that in total we're going to make this chicken in 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes my chicken is ready, and I'm just gonna plate it and enjoy. If you try it, let me know in the comment section, and thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye.